Hi, and welcome to the 11th section of the Mastering TypeScript Programming Techniques course on using and understanding decorators with TypeScript. In this section, we'll get an introduction to decorators and discuss how they can be used with classes, properties, methods, and parameters. We'll do an introduction to decorators, and we'll learn what decorators are and how to use them with TypeScript. Since TypeScript has support for classes, it's given that there needs to be a way to modify classes and be able to annotate them. Decorators provide a way to achieve this. Decorators are really just functions that are denoted by the @ symbol followed by a string, which actually is a name of a function which is going to be called at a runtime. And this function will help us to give extra functionality to the class. As you can see, decorators have a very simple syntax, but they are very powerful because they can modify the behavior of a class. Decorators can not only be used with classes, but we can have method decorators in place, property decorators, and last but not least, parameter decorators as well. In order to be able to use this feature with TypeScript, we need to make sure that during the transpilation of our TypeScript code, we have the experimental decorators flag on. This can be done either by the command line or by the tsconfig.json file. So in preparation to running the examples for the remainder of this section, let's go ahead and create a tsconfig.json file and enable the experimental decorators feature. So having this configuration file in place will make sure that the TypeScript compiler understands the decorators.